CV is a blade for chamfering plastic pipe ends and is suitable for all types of plastic pipes. CV chamfering blade can be attached to a cordless drill with the chuck. Traditionally, plastic pipes have been chamfered using a knife or angle grinder. CV chamfering blade is easier, quicker, and safer to use and produces a much better result. CV chamfers the outer edge of the pipe end and removes any unevenness inside the pipe caused by the pipe cutting process. The result of the chamfering is clean and high quality. The seals remain in place during installation and help to avoid large repair costs and water damage. With CV, chamfering a handheld pipe is easy too. The CV chamfering blade fits into tight spaces as the blade depth is only 35 millimeters. CV will quickly and neatly chamfer the end of a pipe, even if the pipe is in a tight space next to a wall, in a corner, at the ceiling, or on a concrete floor. CV improves the safety and ergonomics of the person using the tool. Each CV chamfering blade is equipped with a protective cup to protect the installer from splashes, increasing safety and comfort of use. The protective cup also makes it safer and more comfortable to chamfer leaking sewer pipes. CV chamfering blade is fully designed and manufactured in Finland. All work related to the product is done in Finland. CV chamfering blade. A quick, safe, and high-quality tool from Finland.